Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, including a link to try out InVideo, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Here at Rome Tips, we're diving into a detailed review of InVideo, an innovative platform designed to simplify video creation using the power of artificial intelligence. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or small business owner seeking to elevate your video content, InVideo promises a time-saving solution for producing professional quality videos. Let's explore whether it delivers on this promise. InVideo presents an intuitive platform that leverages artificial intelligence to streamline the video creation process. It's particularly valuable for users who desire high-quality video output but lack advanced video editing skills or the time investment required for traditional video production. The platform boasts a comprehensive library of templates tailored for a variety of uses, ranging from engaging social media posts and compelling advertisements to impactful presentations and instructive tutorials. Simply select a template, input your content, and allow the AI to handle the complex editing work. One of InVideo's standout features is its impressive script-to-video capability. This powerful tool allows you to paste your script directly into the platform, and the AI automatically generates a video by intelligently matching your text with relevant visuals, animations, and background music. It even suggests dynamic transitions and optimized layouts, empowering you to create compelling and engaging video content within minutes. For marketers, this feature is a true game-changer, facilitating the effortless production of polished promotional materials. The platform's customization options offer another significant advantage. While the AI manages the majority of the video creation process, users retain control over fine-tuning various aspects of their projects. From precise text placement and color adjustments to font selections, you can ensure that the final video product seamlessly aligns with your brand's unique identity. Furthermore, InVideo integrates directly with royalty-free media libraries like Unsplash and Shutterstock, providing access to millions of stock images and videos to enhance your creations. InVideo caters to a wide range of users, including content creators, small businesses, and marketing teams seeking to bolster their video production efforts without facing a steep learning curve or significant financial investment. While it may not entirely replace professional-grade editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro for highly intricate projects, it offers an excellent solution for producing quick, visually appealing videos efficiently. In conclusion, InVideo stands out as a powerful tool that effectively combines user-friendliness with professional-grade results. If you're on the lookout for an AI-driven platform to elevate your video content, InVideo is definitely worth exploring. Check the description for links to try it out and see how it can benefit your video creation needs.